Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to teach you how I made these taco flavored spring rolls, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get started with this recipe, we want to go ahead and prep our peppers and our onions. So over here guys, I am just dicing my yellow onion into small cubes. So we are going to move on also to our green pepper, and we are going to dice that as well. And then we are going to move on to our red pepper, and you want to dice it as well. So after dicing everything, you want to move on to mixing everything in a bowl. So in this bowl guys, I am adding my grounded beef and as well as my pork, and you want to go ahead and mix it with all the vegetables that you had diced earlier. And we're going to move on to our seasoning after mixing it. So for my seasoning, I'm adding chicken bouillon, Cajun seasoning, sour cream and onion seasoning, garlic powder, and lime and chili powder, and as well as an egg, soy sauce, and ginger paste. And we want to add our taco seasoning. That was the last thing. And you want to go ahead and mix everything together. So for everything that I'm using guys, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. So for our spring rolls, I got these spring rolls from the Asian market, and you want to go ahead and separate everything, and I'm adding it to a wet napkin because you don't want them to be dry after separation. So after that, I covered everything, and now we're going to make our paste for sealing. I'm just adding some flour and some water, mix it, and we are going to go ahead and get ready for adding everything together. As you can see over here, you want to put just, a teaspoon, and then you want to go ahead and roll it as I'm doing over here. I hope guys this is helpful. So I'm sealing everything with some paste, and this is how it looks like. So guys, I am going to show you again how I did it. So I added the meat to the spring rolls, and I put the sides and put over, as you guys can see over here, and you want to go ahead and roll it. And I added some paste, as you guys can see, and I continued rolling again. And that's how it's done. So I'm going to show you another style again. Over here, this one is diagonal, and it looks like an envelope side, and then you want to roll it like an envelope, and then you want to roll tight, as you guys can see over here. And then I added some paste again, and this helps it seal it, and this is how it's done. So suddenly I just had an idea of adding 1 cup of cheese to some of this grounded beef and pork, because I love cheese, and I was like, wait a minute, maybe I can make some spring rolls with cheese. Of course guys, we are using the same methods of sealing. The only difference to this part is that I added cheese, and I wanted some of the spring rolls to have cheese. So, and you want to go ahead and do the same thing, rolling it like described before, and just adding some seal, as you guys can see over here. And the reason why I wanted to make some of cheese is because some of the people in my family don't like cheese, but I love cheese. So this is how everything looks like, and we are done, and we're going to move on to frying our spring rolls. So in this pot, I'm adding some oil, and I'm heating it up at medium high, and we are going to reduce it later on. So I just want to temp it at 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to leave it on medium. So after that, we are going to go ahead and fry our spring rolls for about maybe 6 to 8 minutes, and you want to take them out after they look golden brown, because you want to go ahead and refry them later on. So over here guys, I took out my spring rolls, and of course I am going to go ahead and refry my spring rolls because we want to make sure that they're really cooked, because our meat is like not cooked, it's fresh meat. So you want to go ahead and refry your spring rolls, and this should take about maybe another 5 minutes to 6 minutes, so I would say 12 minutes in total. So guys, this is how everything came out, and guys, this was so good, and I just want to show you the inside. It was so delicious and crispy. Of course, I wish you guys were here to taste this stuff, but my favorite one was with cheese. I think I ate that the most. And then for my dipping, I made some sour cream, regular sour cream, and I added some seasoning, which is onion and sour cream, onion, and I went ahead and mixed it, which is so good. So the whole point of this sour cream sauce was to have that illusion of a regular basic taco. And of course, guys, this was so good. As you guys can see me over here, just indulging in these spring rolls. So the last sauce that I'm using is sweet red Thai chili sauce, and I just wanted to show you guys other options. So guys, we have reached the end, and thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing, for commenting. I hope you like these videos, and I pray that you come back, and I'll see you next time. Bye.